me take the radiator out. You can leave it recording though. Come on. All right. What's up, YouTube? Conduit Money coming with another video. So I ran into some situations. I didn't plan for this, but I got a fix for it, and I want to share it with you guys. Basically, the harness I have is not going to work with my intake as it sits. What I'm going to have to do is change out my injectors to 3rd gen style injectors. And let me show you what I mean. All right. So if you guys look here, and I've got my intake loose again, you know, I got it loose. But if you come over here, you look at that, and then this is one of the injector plugs. If you look at this, they appear to look like they would work, but they do not. Okay. And this is because my harness, okay, has been cut down. That's not the reason why it won't work, but my harness is from a 2000, I believe, Silverado. Okay. And this engine is from like a 05 Yukon, no, 05 Envoy with the 5.3 liter. So basically what that means is they use different style injector clips. So what you have to do if you want to use like an older style harness, maybe you want to just upgrade your intake to a newer intake, or you already have a LS swap and you want to get a whole different engine, a newer engine. What you have to do is either change the pigtails out on the harness, like cut these off right here, or you can actually just swap out the injectors on this intake. You can swap them out to the older style. Now, I haven't done the research to see if they flow any better or any worse. I assume they're going to be very close, but I did want to share that with you guys. I will show you guys an example of what it looks like when they don't fit. So there you go. Looks like it's going to fit. You know, it's close. See if I can get you guys a better visual here. And it won't fit. So okay. These are rectangular. These are more square. Okay. Let me get you a visual. These are rectangular. This is a older 3rd gen intake. So I had this laying around, so I'm going to be taking these injectors out and putting them on the newer style intake. Here is one of them. Now, of course, you can decide to clean them, have them reflowed or whatever while they're out. I'm going to just go ahead and plug them in just because I just want to do all of this and see if it works without doing all the extras. So basically, here's an injector plug right here. Plug it in and boom, you see, it works. So this is for people who want to use newer style engines or newer style intakes with the older style harness, you need to change your injectors or the pigtails on your injectors. I just got lucky enough that I had extra parts laying around, where I'm just gonna swap out the injectors. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and like it. If you don't like it, go ahead and dislike it. That's cool. If you have any questions, any advice, any recommendations for me, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. And then if you want to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe. Peace.